Hello, Snuggies, little nuggets. It's Miss Portia, aka Miss P. Welcome to my channel. I teach belly dance for fun and exercise. I'm gonna bring some dance in your pants. Listen, today I have a fun class. It's super short and quick, but it's super thorough. I'm gonna warm you up fast. We're gonna dive into shimmies, add some layers, add some hip movements over that, and then bring it up to the rib cage. So grab a water, grab a hip scarf, shut your doors, block husbands, children, pets, everybody out. This is me time, this is dance time. You ready? Let's do it. Musica on. All right, nuggets, open up the feet. Let's do it. Wide stance, toes turned out. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. We're going to go quick with our warm-up, okay, because I want to keep you moving and grooving. Last time, hands on thighs, roll it down, and curl it up. I just want you to warm up your spine, okay? Cat-cow, articulation of the spine. Let's do one more. Roll it, roll it, roll it, all the way up. Stay here, hold. I want tuck, tuck. Pull from that lower abdominal wall. Up and in from the Kegels, up and in from that pelvic floor. Try not to squeeze your glutes. Arms, 4, 3, 2, hold, freeze, slide side to side. Reach it right, reach it left. Lower body stays. Follow me, change. I want close and open, close and open. By the way, if anything feels too fast, make it smaller. Okay, or bring your hands closer. Other side, please. Close, open. Really get that spine, that rib cage, that thoracic spine moving. 4, 3, 2, come center, and I want curl and open. Looks like this from the side. Here's 4, 3, 2, hold it here. Now tuck, lift, arms, reach, pull down. Imagine you're standing against a wall. Skim the wall with your elbows and your wrists, targeting your upper back muscles in 4, 3, 2, and rest. Let's continue. Heels up, down. Just a little warm up of those ankles. Listen, if you have any injuries and this feels funky or doesn't feel right, don't do it. Just modify. Do something else to get your body warm. No problemo. Yeah? Last time, rest, inhale up and out, open up heart, lungs, roll down, roll up. All right, let's get started. Bring those feet parallel. Last little warm up. Press right foot, left foot. Check me out. Engaged core, lifted rib cage, nice long arms extended, shoulder blades pulled back. Press. I want those ankles strong. No wibble wobble, no weak ankles. Strong ankles, arms up, palms up. Press, press, lengthen. Yes. Let's finish our warm up. Last time. And rest, heels down, straight leg shimmy, diving right in. Cross the arms. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. We're ready to start, little nuggets. Inhale. Beautiful. Listen up. Hands on hips. Open feet nice and wide. Feet forward. Bend. Rock. Rock. I want you to dive into your pelvis so deep that you're gently rocking like a baby. Okay? The pelvis. I don't want this. This is a little larger than what I'm looking for. Just tuck that tailbone, hands on hips, and rock. And rock. Go smaller. Yes, sit down. Feel that isolation. Recognize the muscles that are contracting, obliques, psoas, all sorts of deep muscles in our core. 4, 3, 2. Check out the arms. 4, 3, 2. Can you go a little faster? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Check me out. Don't judge. By the way, we don't perform this way. This is just technique. Check me out. Speed it up and feel the release of your pelvis. Tailbone is tucked. You're literally oscillating your pelvis. So if you had an x-ray machine, it would be wibble wobbling. Whoa, feel all of that release. Last time, and rest. Deep breath up and down. Roll the spine. Okay, check me out. Roll it up. Let's do this now. Let's make sense of this. Walk the feet parallel, bend, gentle tuck, lifted, rolled, arms sit. Rock the hips again. Give me exactly what we just did when our feet were wide, with our feet parallel now. Good, rock. Feet are flat, knees are bent, they are moving. Yes, your knees can move, but try to own in on that pelvis and rock your womb. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale up, up, 8, 7, stay, exhale, shoulders down, 4, 3, I have an itch, sorry. And we frame it down, 8, 7, you can do this, stamina baby. Listen up, 4, 3, I'm gonna add something, follow me. Heel up and down. What? Heel up, can you do it? And down. What? Heel up and down. Don't change the level. Keep your level steady, down. What changes is the heel comes up and down. Try to keep your ankles and knees and hips in alignment and down. In other words, don't do this and down. Don't open. Last time. And down. Can you do both? Come up and down. What? Arms up. Balance and down. If you say, holy guacamole, Portia, this is crazy. I can't do it. Here's what you do. Up and down. First establish the feet and the balance. Grow tall. Zip up like a zipper. Shoulder blades down. Arms out. Heels up and down. Now give me shimmy, shimmy, rocking and rocking. Remember that release. Up and down. One more time. Up and down. Release. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Open up. Exhale. Roll down. Reset your spine, your mind. Reboot. Let's continue. Feet parallel, bend, tuck, lift. We're going to add on. Roll, arms, open, give me. Shift, shift. Slide the pelvis side to side. Rib cage up, long neck, long arms, balance. Check out my knees and my heels. I'm going to lift. I'm going to pose. Pose. If you're not sure, bring your hands here. Hey, pose. Do not lock your back leg. Bent. Do not do this. Sit down. Arms up. No level change. So we're not going up and down. Shifting. Sorry, I'm all itchy today. Beautiful. Cross. Don't open up. No, 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 no. Ladylike. Shake a shake. Shake a shake. What? What? Can you shake the hips? Shake a shake. Shake a shake. Shake and bake. Arms up, chest up. Find it. Takada. Takada. Release it. Let that junk in the trunk go. Listen up. 4, 3, 2. Let's go a little faster. Knock, 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 knock. Junk in the trunk and shake it. Push, push. Takada, takada. Chest up, arms up. Hup, hup, hup. Let's go for 8. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Wow, straight leg shimmy. Cross, cross, and breathe. Good job. Exhale. Stay with me, little nuggets. Inhale. Wow, shake it out. So what did I do? Well, I made you connect with your pelvis like this to try to own in on that and get that girl going. We brought the feet closer. We did it again. Then I made you do it on one heel. Then I made you do it on both heels. Well, balls of the feet. Then I added this listen, I need you to do it. What? Yes, this is called layering. Can we do it again? Yes? Feet parallel with me. Bend, tuck, lift. Roll, arms, sit. Bent knee, shimmy. Let's start one heel. Up and down. Up, down. Up, down. If you're ready, both heels. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Both feet flat. Now give me side, side. Shift, shift. Lift the heel, lift the heel. Cross the knee and pose. Betty boop. Ah, ah. Cuties, add the shimmy. Da-ka-da, da-ka-da. Shake and bake, shake and bake. And one, and two. And one, and two. Here's 4, 3, no more arms. Speed it up. Da-ka-da, 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 da-ka-da. Follow those hips. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5. Let it go in 4, 3, 2, and rest. Wow, good work. Inhale. All right, shake it out. Let's take some of this Flojo Mojo, bring it into the rib cage. Okay, the breasts and the rib cage. You don't need boobs for this. You do need a rib cage, okay? So it doesn't matter the size of your breasts. We are going to release the rib cage. Check me out. Feet parallel, bend, tuck and lock. Glutes tight, abs tight, chest up, arms. Hands on hips. Squeeze your butt like you're holding on for dear life. Wrists down, and one goes forward, one goes back. Let your rib cage move. Your rib cage is gently rotating. 1, 2. Now I want you to focus only on your right shoulder. Check me out. Forward, pull back. Forward, pull back. The forward is important, but you know what's more important? The back. The teres minor and major. Forward, pull back. We're going to squeeze some muscles here. Okay, teres minor and major. Forward, back, forward, pull back. Other arm, please. Left shoulder, pull back. So the push is usually easier, but we often neglect the back. Meaning if you don't pull back, you can't go forward. So we got to work through a full range of motion here. Here's 4, 3, alternate, please. 1, 2, working in tandem. One goes forward, one goes back. Recognize what you feel in your rib cage. Squeeze your butt so your hips don't move. I don't want your hips moving. But recognize. Ready? Let's go a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. Squeeze your butt if your hips are moving. One arm up. Other arm up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Raise the arms a little higher, about breast level. Chest up, long arms, no chicken wings. Lengthen, squeeze your tummy, squeeze your glutes. Suction cup the floor with your feet. 4, 3, 2, speed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let the rib cage go. Let the girls go. Let the clavicle go. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. More. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Deep breath up and out. Okay, check me out. Feet parallel, bend, tuck, lift, roll, up, down, up, down. Let's add our last move. Rib cage, pop and lock. Feet are flat, knees are bent. Your glutes are contracted to keep everything in the lower body strong and under control. Rib cage is lifting and dropping. It's not this, so don't go out of control. Your arms do not move. Your pelvis does not move. So little that the rib cage is the only thing moving. Up, down, upper back, upper abs. Listen up, here's 4, 3, 2. Let's bring right arm up. 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Left arm up, so 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Make sure the arms are not moving. Nope, just the chest. 1, 2, listen up. Here's 4, 3, 2. Let's add that shimmy. What? Up, down, let's go. Lift, drop, up, up, up. Yalla, yalla, 8, 7, 6. Find it, get control of it. Oh. One more time, let's go. 8, 7, none of this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest, shimmy and breathe. What? Layering, baby, layering. One more deep breath. Let's do it one more time and then we'll finish. Check me out. Bend, tuck, lift, roll, arms. Hold a beach ball. 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, shoulder blades down. Up, down, pop, lock. 4, 3, hold it up, freeze. 1, 2, 1, 2, and speed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way. Shoulder shimmy. Add that rib cage, please. Up, down, lift, drop. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5. You got this. 4, 3, 2, and rest. Woo! Yes, you did it. Take a deep breath. Exhale one more time. Inhale. Let's stretch quick. You did great. Open up the feet. Bring the arms up. Grab the wrist. Side bend. Other side. Nice. So do the video over and over again until you get that release, okay? Until you're able to do both the shimmy and the releve with the feet and the shimmy with the hips. Bend. And then, of course, the shoulder shimmy with the rib cage. Chin to chest, make a C with your spine, stretch to one side, stretch to the other side, roll it up, all the way, spine roll down, curl it up, wow, shake it off, give yourself a hug. That was quick, that was a belly dance quickie, inappropriate. 2 kisses. Love ya. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I do read my comments. And if you want to find more of me, bellymotions.com. I've got online, live stream, on-demand videos, you name it. Love you. Peace and hair grease, baby.